Your vehicle's spare wheel or temporary puncture repair kit can be accessed via the boot. Once the boot is open, simply lift the carpet like so. For the spare wheel, unclip and remove the toolbox from the centre of the wheel. The wheel is fixed to ensure that it's secure whilst driving. Removal is simple. Slacken the central nut, remove the fastening device including the nut and bolt, and lift the spare wheel towards you from the rear. If you have a spare wheel, you'll also have a toolbox which contains chocks to immobilise the vehicle depending on your vehicle, socket for the security bolts, towing iron tool to open the protective covers of the front and rear screw thread, wheel brace, jack with integrated handle, and wheel bolt cover remover. Depending on your model, you'll have one of two puncture repair kits. These include a 12-volt compressor with a cartridge of sealant and a speed limit sticker, which allows for a temporary tyre repair and pressure adjustment. To return the spare wheel, just reverse the process. Be sure that the nut is tightened sufficiently in order to retain the wheel correctly. It's really important to note that the punctured wheel cannot be replaced under the floor of the boot.
Citroën.